Want to make sure your Galaxy Watch 6 BIA sensor is working properly before tracking your health stat? Let's test it directly from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using the device care menu. First, make sure your watch is worn properly on your wrist. Next, on your phone, head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Tap watch diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. And then tap BIA sensor. On your watch, tap start. Put your middle and ring finger on the button. If everything is fine, the result will show normal, which means your Galaxy Watch 6 is ready to measure things like body fat, muscle mass, and more. Given to the function, this is a super quick way to make sure your health tracking tool is working at its best, especially if you rely on it for fitness goal or general wellness. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.